National festivals. Important events of national importance such as the Republic Day on 26th January, Independence Day on 15th August and Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October are regarded as national festivals. Republic Day. On 26th January 1950, India was declared a republic. This day is the year's first national festival. The armed forces exhibit a grand parade in New Delhi at Rajpath. Additionally, there are colorful tableaus from different states. On this day, the President of India honors children who have displayed courage and bravery by presenting medals to them. Independence Day. We celebrate 15th August every year as India's Independence Day. The day is marked by hoisting of the Indian flag at Lahore Gate of the Red Fort in Delhi, followed by the Prime Minister's address to the nation. Gandhi Jayanti. 2nd October is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, also called Bapu. It is a national holiday and is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. He believed that an eye for an eye makes everybody blind, thus advocated the path of non-violence. On Gandhi Jayanti, common people and eminent leaders pay homage at Rajghat in New Delhi. This day is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence.